Thanks for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today we are navigating the essential documentation required for registering a medical device in Colombia with the National Regulatory Authority, INVIMA. The process is detailed and requires meticulous preparation, especially concerning legal and technical documentation. First and foremost is the Certificate of Free Sale, or CFS. This document, issued by the competent regulatory authority in the device's country of origin, proves that the product is freely sold in that market. If you don't have approval in your home market, a CFS from a recognized region like the United States, Europe, Canada, Japan, or Australia is acceptable. Crucially, this certificate must be officially legalized. For countries that are part of the Hague Convention, this means obtaining an apostille. For others, it requires consular legalization. This is a non-negotiable step that authenticates the document for the Colombian authorities. Equally important for foreign manufacturers is the appointment of a local legal representative in Colombia. This is formalized through a power of attorney, which, like the CFS, must also be notarized and then legalized with an apostille or through consular channels. This representative will manage your submission and act as the primary contact with INVIMA. The core of your submission is the technical file. This comprehensive dossier must include a detailed description of the device, its intended use, and specifications. You'll need to provide proof of a compliant quality management system, typically an ISO 13485 certificate. The file must also contain a risk analysis and management report, evidence of the device's safety and performance, which may include clinical data for higher-risk devices, and validation reports for processes like sterilization. If your device has a defined shelf life, stability studies are required to support this claim. A critical point to remember is language. All documents, including the technical file, labeling, and instructions for use, must be submitted in Spanish. Any original documents in another language require an official translation. Successfully compiling these documents, from the apostilled CFS and power of attorney to a complete technical file in Spanish, is the foundation of a successful registration with INVIMA. The registration is typically valid for 10 years, making this upfront effort a long-term investment in market access. If navigating the complexities of apostilles and technical files for INVIMA seems daunting, Pure Global is here to help. We provide end-to-end regulatory consulting, acting as your local representative and using advanced AI to efficiently compile and submit your technical dossiers. To learn more about how we can streamline your entry into Colombia and over 30 other markets, please check the description for a link to our free AI tools and database. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.